Hey guys, I'm back with a eBay box. I opened the top already, so I can kind of see what's inside. It was a slime package, so it was like a mystery slime package. So I kind of just want to see what's inside. Okay, so first I'm going to take out the slime. Oh, there's a little note in there. This is the note. So it says, "Thank you for buying this box." They spelled buying wrong. They spelled it B-Y-I-N-G and it's actually B-U-Y-I-N-G. So, oh, and it says enjoy your slime and extras. So I bought the slime and not a lot of slime. Wow, guys, thanks. But because I wanted to do like another slime video, obviously, they didn't give me a lot of slime. So next time, I'm not gonna buy off these people again because it said it was gonna be like a 4 ounce slime, and as soon as I saw the package, I knew it wasn't going to be a 4 ounce, but whatever. So this is what the box came in. I tore off the top. I'm bad. Okay, so this is not a very good box. Half-eaten Tic Tacs. I'm not going to eat those because who knows who touched those, or somebody spit in there. Who knows? Okay, so this looks like a stamp. It's an apple tree, as you can see here. The apple tree. Yeah. Oh, there's another stamp in here. This one's kind of cute. It says love. You can see that. This is the worst slime package I've ever gotten in my life. Oh, wow, nice extra. You know, all these little things are my extras. Like, they gave me this much slime, but they'll give me these many extras. So there's 2 more things left as my extras. Actually, Starbursts. I don't know if I'll eat those. Maybe. Oh, my favorite, Snickers. I might eat this. Should I eat it? I'm going to eat it. I'll eat it. Let's see if it's safe. I don't know if it will be safe, but I'm going to take my risks because I love these things. Just kidding. I won't, like, take my life over this. So it looks pretty decent. As you can see, my Snickers. Oh my gosh. I'm new at this. Oh. There's this Tic Tac gum. That was half. There's like 10 pieces in there. Starburst I don't really like. A tree. A stamp. A tree. I don't know if you can see it. It has apples on it. Stand that says love. And Tic Tac gum. Bye!